This sucks. We have our... Whoa. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, we've got something special for you guys. We are gonna be eating MREs for 24 hours. I'm so excited to bring you guys this video. So we've got 4 bags of MREs, but chicken noodles and vegetables in sauce, Italian sausage with pepper and onions and marinara sauce, chili and macaroni. Our last one's gonna be meatballs and marinara sauce. I was on the phone with one of my friends. His name is Larry. Shout out Larry. And he recommended I do this one first. So shout out to Larry. This meal is for you. We actually arrived in Houston about 30 minutes ago. We're actually hauling a brand new GMC 1500, but unfortunately we're not gonna be able to drop this off until the morning. Guys, I have never in my life came across a lot lizard before, and I kind of thought they were fake, but this lady is going up to every single person. I'm not kidding. I've seen her go up to 3 different trucks. Is that a lot lizard? She's going up to a different truck. I swear. She's riding around with this guy on a bicycle. She's knocking on the door right now. I'm gonna drop the camera and show you guys. That's so crazy. Lot lizards are real, bro. Lot lizards are real. And it looks like there's another guy driving around that's with her. Is that her pimp or what? I don't know. Hopefully, we don't get bothered tonight. All right, guys, so we're gonna be setting a timer for 24 hours. That timer starts now. All right, guys, I am hungry, so let's get into this. So this is our meatballs and marinara. We've got marinara sauce with meatballs and a cherry blueberry cobbler. Here's a cherry cobbler, a chocolate chip cookie. Okay, so it looks like we've got this clear package. We've got matches and looks like a napkin. Jalapeno cheese spread, Italian breadsticks. Gosh, an orange beverage. We've got a beef stick. Good. Ooh, look at that. We got a little spoon. This looks like what you cook it in. So I'm not really sure how the directions work. It's got the directions right on it. Dude, it is getting so hot. Okay, we got it. All right. Let's go ahead and make our orange beverage. I could use some electrolytes. Might need to add some more water. Dude, that is delicious. All right, let's try our Italian breadsticks. All right, this is what we're looking like. Let's put some of our cheese spread on it. Ooh. It tastes exactly like spray cheese, but with jalapenos. It's actually really good. While we wait, we'll check out our chocolate chip cookie. Oh, dude, they definitely went to Costco, dude. It's a double chunk chocolate cookie. It actually doesn't taste that bad. All right, guys, so that guy that I was talking about before riding around on the bike is acting really suspicious. So we went ahead and grab some pepper spray and a baton just in case I need to use it. I think it's about time to tear up into this. We will grab our spoon. We will see how this tastes. We'll dip our breadsticks in the marinara. Check that out. Okay, well that guy was just trying to hustle me for some money, so. But anyways, now we're gonna actually get to our food. See you guys in a little bit. All right guys, well, finished. If I had to like describe it, it kind of tastes like Chef Boyardee. Let's try it. Not gonna lie, looks kind of disgusting. Don't knock it till you try it, right? I don't know what that is. No, I can't. I'm done. I'll stick to my cookie, but overall, how's it going?
Got that strapped down pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
He ain't bouncing no way. I wouldn't have ever thought that.
Sorry, there's a guy over there. But Joe, shout out you. You ever see this? How's it going? He was explaining to me that this is a really sketchy area, and you see that all the time here. So I'm gonna note that for next time, and I'm never gonna stop here ever again. That's the bad part about being in Houston. Well, first meal, success. We still have a beef stick left, so if I get hungry in the middle of the night, I can go ahead and eat this, or maybe if in the morning, if I'm not feeling like a whole meal for breakfast, I'll just pop one of these. It'll hold me off till lunch. All right, guys, I think I'm making a collective decision. Does that make any sense? Collective decision? Anyways, I'm making a decision to leave this truck stop. I'm going to pack up my stuff, and I'm gonna drive like 5-10 minutes down the road and go to somewhere a little safer. I've already seen 5 people, and one of them has tried to come hustle me for some money already. I have confirmed that there is a lot lizard on the premises. So I don't get too tempted, I need to go.
What?
I'm just kidding. I'm just gonna play it safe because I want to get a good night's rest. Nothing will probably happen to me, but I'm gonna stay up all night worrying about it. So it's best to just leave and try somewhere else. All right, guys, a little snack. I'm gonna go ahead and eat this beef stick. See how it tastes. Tastes like it has 50 ingredients. All right, guys, we are currently 2 hours into our challenge. We've got 22 hours and 2 minutes left to go. So we are currently watching some baseball, Alabama versus Tennessee. We're gonna finish watching this, and then we're probably gonna go to bed. We will see you guys in the morning. Good morning. Looks like both of the people that were next to us left. Let's get going. Well guys, we're unloaded now. We're back at a truck stop. I don't know if we're gonna be here for too long, but because this truck stop is kind of sketchy. So we're gonna sit here, figure out what we're doing exactly, and then we're gonna go figure out where we're gonna chill at for the rest of the day. All right guys, we are still sitting here and I'm getting kind of hungry, so we're gonna go ahead and break open the Italian sausage with pepper and onions and marinara sauce. We're 14 hours into our challenge, so we've got 10 hours and 30 minutes left. I'm not cheating, so if you guys want to grab you one of these are in my Amazon storefront. Just the FYI. Salted peanuts. I'm gonna save these for later. I'm not really in the mood for peanuts right now. We've got some cranberries. Ooh, they smell disgusting. Here's what they look like. Ugh. Ugh. Not good. Now this I'm kind of excited for, the nut raisin mix. Oh dude! It's literally just trail mix. You can see. For cheese and crackers. This was actually my favorite. Last night was the breadsticks and the cheese, so I'm hoping this is going to be our favorite of this. So good, dude. We got our beverage-based lemonade. Tastes like lemonade. It's very sweet. That's actually pretty good. All right, guys. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this, and we'll see you in a little bit. All right, guys. Just a little update. We're gonna go ahead and go to that other truck stop now. I guess go do something. We've made it. On short note, though, I am starting to get a headache. I'm not really sure why. Maybe it's just food I've been eating, but because I'm not really used to eating processed foods like this. But we've got one more meal to go, and we've got about 5.5 more hours to go until we've completed our challenge. This sucks. I'm not doing so hot. Let's get into this last meal. Chili and macaroni. Let's do it. Oh my gosh! It came with Tabasco. Let's go. It came with a little bottle of Tabasco. Let's go, dude. Whoa. No way, dude. We got Twizzlers. Gosh, dude. I thought these came with candy. Yes, we got the cheese spread with jalapenos, a lemon poppy seed pound cake, a vegetable crackers, a lemon lime drink, a beef stick. Let's get into this. All right, well, it's all right. Might as well tear into these now because we deserve it. Okay, that's what we're looking like. Dude, that's actually really good. Never had a vegetable cracker before, but man, the crackers in these do not miss. right, I'm starting to feel a little bit better. Starting to think maybe it was because I haven't ate in a while. All right, guys, fast forward a little bit. We have our chili mac. It looks like dog food, and I'm kind of afraid. There goes nothing. Need some salt. It's actually not bad. Now, for the lemon poppy seed pound cake. And last but not least, our Twizzlers. Delicious. Anyways, we have 3 hours and 47 minutes left of this challenge. I just want to take the time to say, all of our military guys out there, if this is like the stuff like you genuinely have to eat on a regular basis, like I just want to say thank you so much for your service, but I don't know how you do it. It's not that bad, but it's just like you can just tell it's not real food, you know? It's just not real food. Like I don't know. Our 24 hours are finally up. I have not been feeling too good. We are probably gonna go get something to eat here shortly. I'm very excited for this. So, we'll catch you guys in a little bit. Oh, it's not like I'm like sick. I mean, maybe I am, but I have no energy. Like, I don't understand. Like sitting here disconnecting my trailer, it's a struggle. Fast forward about 2 or 3 hours before I last updated you guys. We went to the gym, and in the middle of me hopping on my cardio machine, I got a call about this load. Well, so I stopped what I was doing. I go shower, and they cancel the load. So 15 minutes roll by, and they call me about the load again. So we are now headed back home. It's currently 10:45. It needs to be there at like 4 a.m. So we're gonna drive all the way there, drop off, then we'll probably get home at like 6. So thankfully we slept pretty much all day, so it'll be a pretty smooth ride. Anyways, that's all for this video. Thank you guys so much for being here. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell if you guys want to be notified every time I post. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys on the next one.